Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kwik Mint Bursts. These tiny, powerful mints are designed for instant fresh breath, perfect for any moment. They come in a super compact dispenser, making them incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go. Just one small burst can make a big difference, quickly dissolving on your tongue to deliver a refreshing minty sensation. They are also a great sugar-free option for maintaining oral freshness throughout your day. Using Kwik Mint Bursts is incredibly simple and takes just a few seconds. First, locate the small dispenser and slide open its top cover. Next, gently shake out one single burst into the palm of your hand. Then, place that tiny burst directly onto your tongue. There is no need to chew, just let it dissolve completely. You will immediately feel the refreshing mint flavor working its magic, leaving your mouth feeling clean and fresh. Kwik Mint Bursts offer several fantastic benefits for your daily routine. Their compact size means you can easily carry them anywhere, fitting perfectly into a pocket or a small clutch. Each burst delivers a powerful, long-lasting freshness that can last for up to 30 minutes. Plus, they are a wonderful sugar-free option, providing a quick and effective way to refresh your breath without the need for chewing or sugary alternatives. It is a simple solution for on-the-go freshness. To get the most out of your Kwik Mint Bursts, consider these helpful tips. They are perfect for a quick refresh after enjoying a meal or a cup of coffee, ensuring your breath is always pleasant. Keep a dispenser in key locations, like your car, your office drawer, or your travel bag, so you are never without them. Remember to store them in a cool, dry environment to preserve their potency and ensure they dissolve perfectly every time you need them.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.